Here we are. Looks like a redundant yard of some description here, or corrugated iron, etc. But also we got something rather interesting here for the classic car enthusiasts. Sadly, I don't think any can be restored. But we've got some old classic cars here. Sadly, I think they're a bit far gone. Some of them, but you can see some cars. I think that might be a Triumph. I don't see a Rover here. This end in the foreground. I've been Austin there. Probably don't know what that would be there. Don't know what. Even look like Ford Escort Estate there from the Mark II. Probably the Mark 1, 2 Estate, whatever. Riley or Wolseley here maybe, and that old van there. Like commercial's getting quite rare. Don't know what that is in the front there. Could be something Japanese, you never know. But I think over there there's a few cars. Possibly a Rover. And behind it possibly a Morris Minor, but there's a Transit at the back. And I think there's a Morris 1000 down there as well. Very difficult to tell what they are, but lovely old classic cars here. I won't say where, to protect their identity. It does quite secure here, CCTV, etc. So I won't say too much. So, actually got Rottweiler as well. On wheels here as well, tyres and everything else. Well, there we are. Shame that they do seem too far gone, some of them.